Welcome to the no reserve auction of this lovely driving 1974 Alfa GTV 2000. We are the Bring a Trailer local partners for the San Francisco Bay Area. This is an alumni of that site. The owner purchased it on BAT in September of 2021. Since then, he's enjoyed taking it on many local rallies here in Northern California. Let's start it up and go for a ride. As mentioned, this is a no reserve auction. It will be going home to the highest bidder. It now shows just under 48,000 miles on the odometer. This is a great driving car, and the current owner has improved the looks, handling, and sound. 15-inch Alfaholic GTA-style wheels were added, along with Alfaholic's fast road suspension kit and an Alfaholic stainless steel exhaust. All were added during the last 3 years. For anyone looking for a great driving GTV in an unusual, striking color, we suggest you take a good look at this car. It's available on Bring a Trailer at no reserve, and for more info, visit us at GenowAutoWerks.com. Thank you.